Hello friend, welcome. So in this video we'll create another function for our model object chess game move piece. Okay, but before that, let me ask you a quick questions. So here we print out, right, the board. Is there any way to use XCD assert to check, right, something of this long string, right, with some line break? Okay, let's give it a try. So we can assert this guy, right, the description of this guy contains, right, contains this or that, right? So let's use this one. Okay, maybe this one. Okay, I think this one is better because it's near the end of the long string. So xct assert true. We haven't used that before. Okay, what is true? This guy dot description dot contains. Okay, contains what? Let's make a copy of that. Okay, so let's see if it works or not. Yeah, it passed. Now let's try to change it a little bit. Okay, like that will break the test case, right? Yeah, it failed, right? So undo. Okay, now run again. Yeah, test succeeded. Great. Okay, now let's go back to our original business. Let's create a function initial game. I think this one, this huge thing, we can put it to the the shortcut key to hide the console is command shift Y, command shift Y, toggle it, right? Command shift Y. Okay, so I want to put this guy cut to here, to the bottom. Okay, now let's create a function move piece. Okay, so from column int, from row int to column, right? We need 4 numbers, 4 integers to make this move. Row, return nothing, and so let's do nothing here for now. And another test case, test, right? This is our naming convention, move piece. Okay, so we still need, okay, now that can we make it, yeah, cover all of them. So we still need to create a game, right? A game, but this time let's use var because we'll change it. We will change it. Oh, okay, so this one has to be mutating because we'll modify this one. Let's make a move. Let's make a move. So command shift Y. Let's see this guy. Let's make a simple move. Okay, like this guy move to here. Okay, so it's from 0 1 to 0 3 here. Sorry about that. 0 1 to 0 3. Okay, now let's do ChessGame dot movePiece. No, so command B to trigger the comparison. Do we have that? Yeah, movePiece from 0 1 to 0 3, right? Like that. Okay, now let's print out first. Okay, so we don't need this one here. Let's print out here, delete this line, try it again, try for the first time, nothing here, right? This pawn should be here. Okay, let's make it happen. And so what is test driven coding, right? It means we need to assert xct assert not nil, right? ChessGame dot piece at the destination is 0 3. This will fail, right? With red color there. Okay, now our job is to make this guy green again. So how can we make it green? The easiest one is like insert a new piece. Let's put here a new piece 3 rank dot pawn player. This one is white, and the content, oh, piece content, we can use we don't know what is the piece content here. Can we okay, so yeah, actually we need the original piece here. So let candidate, right, equals piece at the from and from row, right? So the move, okay, so let's use this one, moving piece. Okay, moving piece. So here the content will be moving piece dot content, right? It makes sense. Oh, it's optional. Yeah, because this one can be empty. So we'll use, yeah, another thing like a guard let. Okay, so guard looks like that. Guard, do we have a guard let? Guard let, yeah, I saw it. Guard let is this guy. Guard let else return. Okay, so now let's put this one here. Guard let else it will return. There's nothing to return, so return empty. Okay, it means the moving piece, right? If it's nil, then it will simply return, will do nothing. Otherwise this is guaranteed non-nil, so we can use it here. Moving piece. Now we don't need the question mark because after this guard, below this guard is guaranteed non-nil. Okay, so this is a fake implementation. Okay, but it will make our this one pass, right? Okay, now let's add another test case, right? What is that? Before the move, right? Before the move it should be nil. it should be nil, like that. Right, it still pass, I guess. Okay, now what's the other thing? Non-nil, right? At the starting point 0 0 is non-nil, and after the move the starting point is nil. So that's increase the coverage of our test. So like that, right? Because it's gone, the piece here is gone, right? Now it's here. Let's try it. Yeah, it failed because we just insert a new piece, right? A new piece is not good. So what we can do is we can change this one dot colon equals 2 colon, right? And this guy dot row equals 2 row. So we don't need to insert another thing here. Let's run it. Cannot assign property is let constant. Okay, moving piece. So let's go to the piece. This guy, hold on command key and click, jump to that's the definition here. It doesn't allow, but it's raw here, right? So moving piece, oh, piece at moving piece is a let. Oh, this guy here. So can we change this to var? Okay, try it again. It failed. Why? Because this guy, the piece struct is a value type, so it makes a copy of that. It makes a copy of that. So it means we cannot do this. So let's put the let back. Okay, so we'll remove the piece from our pieces box and insert a new one. So we'll do pieces dot remove, right? A member. Which member? Moving piece, right? And insert a new one. Now this we have to use 2 colon, and here is 2 row. Of course it's not a pound, it will be this guy dot rank, right? And the prayer, same thing, this guy moving piece dot rank. We don't, yeah, in the simple move, right? Oh, prayer, we don't want to change its rank, right? It's not like a promotion. In the case of a promotion, we'll change its rank. Okay, now let's test again. Still fail. Yeah, it moved to here, right? You see, it's empty. So, oh, my bad. Yeah, So actually we are testing this guy. 0 1. It's not 0 0. Sorry about that. But anyway, let's test again. Now, yeah, you see? Cool, right? So we haven't finished this function yet, but now at least we can move a piece, right, from one place to the other. Okay, and time for our so ideally before we commit, right, we can command U to run all the test cases, yeah, to make sure nothing is broken. We have more than one test case. You see, this test, right, this test and that test. At least we have 3 of them, and we can see here, yeah, you see, execute the 3 tests, right, with 0 failure. Haha. Now let's make a commit. And create it, right, create it, move piece in ChessGame, and unit tested it. Okay, clean, right? Now we can push. Yeah, thank you for watching.